I remember seeing a list on the left that had the names of martyred children on it. And I remember going through the list, and I remember seeing the names of my best friends over there. And that's when it dawned upon me that my childhood best friends were no longer in the world. And from there on, the journey of my trauma began. That's when I started realizing what had happened. And so I remember going down in a phase where I had seen severe depression that sort of converted into auditory hallucinations. And that's when I realized that there was a dire need for me to see a therapist. And I remember going to a local therapist who kind of helped me around with my trauma. And that's where I started finding my interest in psychology. So the larger goal that I do carry right now is to create a platform which is tailored to the needs, especially psychological needs of trauma survivors. When I initiated this plan, I was received warmly by the people of Pakistan, and for this I was also awarded the PSL Hamare Heroes Award in HPL PSL 7 last year.